Hello everyone. So first phylum that we will discuss in this video will be Mollusca. As you can see, phylum Mollusca. The name is given because mollis means soft body. So these animals will have a soft body and the body will be divided into three parts: head, visceral hump and muscular foot. And this is the second largest phylum. The first largest phylum was Arthropoda. So this is the second largest phylum. Then we will discuss about this basic features, habit and habitat. So these type of animals, they can live in marine or even in the fresh water. So you will find these in the size of seawater, and as well as some of them you will find in the fresh water, and some of them you will find in the land. So they can be marine, freshwater or terrestrial. Talking about level of organization, it is organ system. You will find. And talking about the germ layers, so they will have all three type of germ layers: ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. Because we are discussing about the higher non-chordates and they are one of them. Now coelom is eucoelomate. You will find true coelom in it. Now talking about the body plan, these animals will show a tube within a tube body plan. There is a body wall. Inside the body wall you will find the gut or the alimentary canal. So this type of resemblance, it resembles a tube which is fitted within a tube. That's why we call it tube within a tube. Symmetry is bilateral symmetry, and few of them they also show asymmetry because the body is cannot be divided into two equal halves through a single plane, because body is not showing any type of symmetry. That's why we are calling gastropods, they are asymmetrical. Now segmentation is absent. Notochord is again absent. That's why they are non-chordates. And digestive system is complete and it is extracellular. Respiration is through gills, known as ctenidia. So gills will be present in those animals or those mollusks which are found inside the water, and you will also find lungs inside them. Those live in the land. Circulation can be open. Blood circulatory system can be open or it can be closed. And I've already told you in the previous videos, open means that the blood is there where the tissues are bathed. The blood is not present inside the vessels, veins, capillaries, arteries and all. So you'll find open type of circulatory system in non-cephalopods and closed type of circulatory system in cephalopods. Talking about the excretion, gills are the organs for excretion, known as also ctenidia. And also they have this organ of Bojanus and Caber's gland. Caber's gland are also known as pericardial gland. So these are the organs for excretion. Nervous system is simple. Simple means ganglia are present, and the ganglia and you will find presence of some nerve net kind of structure. That's why simple. This is a simple type of nervous system. Sensory structure is ophiridium. Osphidium. Other than osphidium, you will find sensory tentacles and statocyst, the balancing organ. eyes as well. Then reproduction. They can be unisexual and they can be bisexual, both. Talking about the fertilization, fertilization can be internal and external. Both of these type of fertilization is found in these animals. Some of them will show internal, some of them will show external. Development can be indirect or direct. They can be the formation of a larva, or some of them they don't form larva. Okay, so this was about the general features of mollusca. A few examples, as you can see: Pila, known as apple snail; Pictrida is known as oyster; Sepia is the cuttlefish; Loligo is squid, octopus, devilfish; Plycia, sea hare, Dentalium is elephant tusk; Ctenophora is chitin. So these are the examples of mollusca. So mollusca is done. Our second phylum is Echinodermata. We will study about them. Echinodermata. Echinus means spines and dermata means skin. So these animals will show presence of some spines on their skin. The most important thing is that they are exclusively marine. All of them, they are found in the seawater. None of them you will find in fresh water. And they have the presence of the spines. The spines are made up of calcium carbonate. That's why we call them as calcareous ossicles. So these calcareous ossicles form their endoskeleton. Endoskeleton means the skeleton is present inside the body like us. Level of organization is organ system. Germ layers, triploblastic they are. True coelom is found in them. Body plan is again tube within a tube. And the most important interesting thing is that symmetry. You will find bilateral symmetry in the larva and radial symmetry in the adult. This point is very, very important, that bilateral you will find in larva and radial in case of adults. Segmentation is absent in them. Notochord is absent. Digestive system is again complete like mollusk, and extracellular as well. Respiration. Respiration is via tube feet. So these tube feet is a very, very peculiar feature of these echinoderms. And okay, one point again in digestive system is that mouth is present on the ventral side and anus is present on the dorsal side. Okay, so talking about the tube feet. This tube feet is present in the water vascular system, which is a most important property or most important characteristic of this particular phylum, because this particular water vascular system is helpful in the locomotion. Along with this, it also gathers food. It also helps in respiration. So this is a very peculiar feature of this type of phylum. Circulatory system is open. Excretion, particular excretory organs are absent. But water vascular system is, helpful for this excretory system. It can help in the excretion as well. Nervous system is again simple like mollusk. So there's no brain, like proper brain is not present. You will find a simple nerve net in them. Sensory structure, statocyst is found in them. Reproduction, unisexual. Some of them also show sexual reproduction. Fertilization is external. Fertilization take place external. In the water, fertilization will take place and development is indirect. There will formation of a larva. Like locomotion, I told you that water vascular system is responsible for them, and tube feet is the most important organ for this purpose. Some examples: Asterias, Echinus, Antedon, okay, so other examples are also there. I'll show it in the picture. This marks the end of the non-chordates. I'll show you some of the examples in the photos like Asterias, Ophura, Echinus, Antedon, and Cucumaria. So yes, so this is all for the non-chordates. I will start with the chordates in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.